If you're starting a business in New Jersey, the first step is to choose your business name. If you're forming an LLC, corporation, or partnership, you'll need to check availability with the New Jersey Department of Treasury. Your name gets reserved when you file your formation documents, and you'll receive a certificate of formation to make it official. If you're a sole proprietor or in a general partnership and don't want to use your personal name, you can register a business name with your local county clerk. Next, you'll need to form your business entity if you're an LLC, corporation, or partnership. This is done through the Division of Revenue and Enterprise Services. Forming your entity sets up your business structure and determines which tax forms you'll file. Before you file, make sure you're ready with your chosen business name, your structure, your business address, a description of what you do, and your registered agent. After formation, you'll receive a Certificate of Formation or Certificate of Authority, which includes your entity ID number. Every business also needs an Employer Identification Number, or EIN, from the IRS. This is your federal tax ID, similar to a Social Security number for a business. You'll need it to file taxes, hire employees, open a bank account, or apply for loans. You can apply online for the fastest results or by fax or mail if you prefer. Once you have your EIN and entity ID, the next step is to register for state taxes with the New Jersey Department of Taxation. This tells the state which taxes and employer contributions you're responsible for. When you register, you'll need your entity ID, your NAICS code, your sales tax setup, payroll information if you'll have employees, and your business addresses. After your registration is approved, you'll receive your New Jersey tax ID and, if you collect sales tax, a certificate of authorization to collect sales tax. That certificate must be displayed at your place of business.